Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to AbeeRugs. We have another video. I just wanted to show you. This carpet is a beautiful carpet. I sold it around 7 years ago to one of my customers. It's a beautiful tabrace, and this is silk and wool. And just wanted to show you that the carpet need a repair. What we are going to do, like this is the one. This area was covered by sofa, so the bugs eat the carpet. You can see all the edges here. It's all eaten, and this one is all eaten. So we are going to remove this strip and then repair all this carpet. So this carpet is all over. They're damaged. The edges are damaged. So we are going to make the new edge for all the carpet. And this carpet is 12 feet by 18 feet, 24 meters, 6 by 4 meter. It's a beautiful carpet. You have to take care of your send your carpet for cleaning. So regular carpet washing is very important. Carpet age is much longer if you regular. We will show you the later once the repair carpet done, and we will show you how it works, how it looks like, and how we do it. Okay, stay tuned for next video.